Hello and welcome to Penton UK. This is a video tutorial for setting up control of your TERRACOM module via a third-party device. To start, please make sure you've selected the Setup 1 menu and then the Basic Setting tab. The settings you need are under third-party controls, and please ensure the Enable option is chosen. Then enter your port number. Typically 8010 is suitable. This allows us to send a command to a single device and control a trigger function. For multiple devices to be controlled, use the IGMP Enable option, which means any other TERRACOM device listening to that particular IP address will react accordingly. For example, this is useful if you're looking to adjust the volume of multiple IP speakers simultaneously, or perhaps mute a couple of teraamps. To set up the third-party commands, please choose the Function Library tab within the Setup 1 menu. In the Function drop-down menu at the top, please select Third-Party Controls. Predefined actions already exist within the TERRACOM modules as presets, allowing you to do various tasks such as read levels or adjust output levels. Our next step is to add a custom command. To do this, we click on Add in the bottom right-hand corner. Then we add a name to our command, and in this example we'll use Music Play. Once we have our title, we need to select the function of this command. For example, do we want to call another device, such as the IDA8C controller, using the microphone input? Do we want to send a saved message or playlist to that IDA-C? We could listen to another device, cancel a call, send a command string, activate a logic output, turn the scheduler on or off, switch between different network streams, or play/stop music locally. In this case, we want to play music locally, so we select the Music Play option and choose our desired saved playlist. Click Save and let the screen refresh. The command list will reappear with your newly added command at the bottom. Now we have set up the command, we are going to use a program such as Packet Sender to send our command to the TERRACOM device. We specify the IP address and the port and send the ASCII command as shown on screen. Once sent, you will see the command appear in the table below with an ASCII code 200 indicating a successful execution. In the top right hand corner of the TERRACOM webpage, you'll see confirmation of this as the OUT status indicates message. By repeating this process and adding a stop command, and then sending the ASCII code, you can stop the music playing, indicated by the OUT status in the top right hand corner, now changing from message to not applicable. Please make sure you subscribe to our Penton UK channel for updates on further TERRACOM training videos. Thank you for watching.